Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use Shopify Invoice app. Let's get started. So in order to do that, head over in here on your left sidebar, click on apps right here. And for this one, just search in here for Invoice. Once you have searched in here for Invoice, click on the search Invoice in Shopify App Store. And the top in there, you should be able to see some Invoice search results that actually match your preferences right here. So you can choose which one is available for you. You can choose ones that has free plan available or entirely free right here. So just choose which one is available to you. So for me, for example, I'll just head over and choose one of these. For me, I'll just choose this simple invoice order printer. This because this one is built for Shopify, has a considerable amount of reviews, and has a lot of stars. And it also has a free plan available. When you click on this specific app right here, you should be able to see the actual description and also this pricing for them. As you can see, they are free to install. They have 15 invoices per month and all of that. So let's scroll up and let's try to install this application. And then as you can see right here, it will open here a new tab where it will ask me for access in order to successfully install this application in my Shopify dashboard. So just click on install right here. Then as you can see, it will install itself and we should be able to see the app settings directly to our dashboard. So let's just wait for this right here to finish the loading process in here. So as you can see for now, let's just try this free plan for now and subscribe to this. And then as you can see, once you have opened that, you should be able to see here soon the actual dashboard to this. So as you can see, it will ask you to approve the subscription. We're in just to put in here a payment method and then approve this bill right here. So in here, these charges will appear on your monthly invoice and your threshold bills. They also be charged based on how you use this app. So if, for example, you use around 51 invoice while you're only available to the invoice, they will charge you for that additional invoice that you have. So as you can see right here, this is what it looks like. To create invoice easier. It personalizes every detail with a click. As you can see, this is what it looks like. It's really good to the eye. And you can also send invoices and quotes to receive payments in here. So you can also choose to send some specific invoice to your customers who purchase products from your store through this application. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, then really would like to learn, subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.